Hi, day 5, and today no sari, no specs and no parking lot video. Today is Sunday and my daughter is at home, so I thought why not to show you my fridge magnets. See. So here are some fridge magnet. The owl one, evil eye, codes, a picture of my parents, a feather one, heart shaped, आम की बेटी. Oh no. This one, the cute one, elephant, Khamagani, butterfly, and what's this? Tell me. And a cute little picture of me and my daughter. And the most adorable one I have made from the clay. See, I don't have a real flower now, so you can put any flower here also. All this I have made. Tell me in the comments how it is. Bye bye. See you in day 5 in my car.